Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and this is just a quick video to show you another recipe that I made using the ham that I got out of the freezer for this week's No Buying Meat for 6 Months challenge that Linda over at Linda's Pantry and I are doing. Be sure and check the description because the link to her channel will be in there. Want to make sure you watch all of our videos in this challenge because every month there's going to be a drawing for a prize, and at the end of it there's going to be a drawing for a big prize, so that will be drawn from the comments. So you want to make sure you watch all of the videos and comment. But I didn't make a video for this one because it's just too simple. But doesn't it look good? Ooh, yum. All I did was took the ham, I chopped up ham, mixed it with some eggs. I had scrambled eggs and ham basically. I added some cheese, some shredded cheddar to it, and then I filled up a flour tortilla and I folded it over and I put it in the grill, or just on the griddle, and I browned it on both sides. I just gave it a little extra oomph there. I put a little bit, you could use sour cream, but I used plain yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, a little bit more cheese on there, a couple of jalapenos and some chives from my garden, and a nice little piece of parsley from my garden. And I did have another one of those bags of Caesar salad mix. So I tossed that together, literally was done within probably 15 minutes max, and it looks so good. So there you have it, another quick and easy meal from the meat I took out of the freezer for this week's freezer challenge. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.